Uh-oh. It's streaming time. Okay, it's time for the mandatory noises check. How does everything sound? Is it... Because like it changes like daily. It's not streaming time. Bye guys. Okay, goodbye. It sounds good. Alright. Good to know. I cannot trust anything with this setup. Like some days it just... It's usually when I try and record a video. You're saying this while on your phone. Do I trust the phone audio? Who knows? Is the music too loud though? Is that... Oh my god, the diner notification actually worked. It took like 10 minutes and I was thinking it was completely broken. Music sounds balanced. It's not too overpowered. Should I nerf the music, guys? Okay, so. Oh, I'm gonna nerf the music. So I've been thinking, right? So one of the... Maybe nerf some skill. Okay, good idea. The problem with dungeon crawler-clism... Actually, I don't know, there's problems with everything all the time. But one of the problems is that... let me think. So it's kind of like a little bit difficult to explore, and also like, because the game has a lot of lore and stuff, and it'd be kind of hard to incorporate that. You know, it would be really easy and work really well to incorporate it into a metroidvania. So basically today, I'm gonna be messing around with making a metroidvania. That's the idea. We'll see how it goes. This button. So I need to make Metroid 3 on the Wii. Okay. And this one. Okay, I think all of the things in the thing on the top. I don't even know what I call it. This thing. The thing that I'm... Wait, stop. Stop. Okay. The thing that just disappeared. Smite will be here in a bit. Yippee. Do you see the thing that's not very rapidly disappearing in the... Oh, we got a step 3? Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost forgot about step 3. I think that's a featured clip on the channel now. It's in the Hall of Fame. Right. So, how do we make a game? My monitor is like angled in the slightly in the wrong direction. TwitchCon hype. How do you find like the most random emojis? Emotes, sorry. Create empty. Player. This is our player. I'm gonna sprite renderer. It's just a person. It's just some random person. Why is that even... phone Twitch emotes be crazy? Is that only on mobile? No, it has to be. Did I spell it wrong? Oh, hype is in capitals. Strawberry jam music is perfect for making men, gym, yeah, whatever you say. Right. Square. This is the player. Programming time. Also, I didn't open up Visual Studio beforehand like I usually do because it didn't let me. It said no. So now we have to wait for my Microsoft Visual Studio. What is that? Why is there just a box as an emote? How are you finding these? My computer is not enjoying itself right now. You started lagging and it sounded like the cubes were incinerating you. Is it still happening? It's the emojis, I bet you. It's their fault. Oh, actually, I think it's loaded. Yeah. I was just sitting here doing nothing the whole time because I thought it hadn't loaded. I thought it hadn't loaded yet. Namespace. No. What? Cataclysm if. Oh, I should do this. There we go. That'll be better for mobile enjoyers. Oh my god, you cannot be trusted to have the emote wall. There's no more duplicates. Duplicates have been removed from the game. Oh, it's been ages since I've written a platformer controller. This is gonna be fun. We need a rigid body, right? Oh, how do I actually do this? It's been so long. Okay, I'm trying to work out if I want to program the gravity and stuff in. I think I'll use a physics based. Because physics based means funny movement tech. Usually. I suppose we do horizontal movement first. So we'll say public float movement speed do something like that, and then we get input horizontal axis. So this is the A and D input or arrow keys or whatever you're using. So we set horizontal movement to be equal to get axis, no, input dot get axis. I believe we want it to be raw. There we go. How are we gonna do how are we gonna apply it? I change this to horizontal input. So here's some options. We could apply it directly. Just directly set the velocity of the rigid body. We could, doing lines of code drug. Lines of code is, yeah, okay. I agree with what you said. We could just add the movement to the rigid body. Add the movement to the rigid body. But this will make it hard to turn, I think. What else could we do? No physics. TwitchCon hype emoji. I'm gonna try to add the movement. So we just go float speed equals no. Horizontal movement equals horizontal input multiplied by movement speed multiplied by delta time. And then we go rigid body. Actually, we need to get a private rigid body RB. No. Why is rigid body such a hard word to type? I can't explain it. I always make like 8 typos when trying to type that word. Like that. Rigider body. Pika, what even is that emote? Why does Twitch have the most random emotes? Cooking. Yeah. Twitch emotes are so silly. That might work. Might do something. Oh no, we haven't applied it. We haven't actually. Go rigid body. Dot. Add force. And then we can just create a new vector 2 and have it be horizontal input on the X and nothing on the vertical. Okay, check this out. After it loads. Oh, I'm gonna fall out of this guy, I just realized. Let's make some ground. Square. Ground. Perfect. Box collider. Please? Okay. This should work. If it does, then we basically have a completed game. Oh my god, it does work. But yeah, as I thought, it just becomes really hard to turn after you speed up. Well, I was gonna switch to Godot. I'm not really a fan of Godot. I prefer Unity, so. Yeah. Had a pineapple on pizza emote. Why is it just a whole pineapple on the... Why? Alright. What do we do about the movement though? Let me think. So one thing, we could make it so that we add extra force when turning, so that we will move more. Well, we'll add more force and then we'll just turn faster, but that doesn't help the speed up times. So the problem is, I would do this. I would directly set the velocity, but by doing that, I basically override any other velocities. Actually, I have an idea. What if we get the velocity of the velocity the player movement script is making the player move? So for example, maybe 10, it's 10, and then we store that value, and the next frame we subtract the velocity. We subtract the velocity by 10, and then we add the new velocity back on and store that value. If you could make it so velocity reduces 2 times as fast, we can do that, but it doesn't help speed up times, and also, I guess the main problem is that give us enough space. Let me just do this quickly, so we can have a moving camera. I'll move the game view onto the other screen so you can see in the scene view. You can see the player, okay. I think I'm moving. Oh, it's very slow. It's actually extremely slow. What did I... It was a lot faster before. What is going on? Hold on, I'm trying to prove a point and it just completely doesn't work anymore. Oh, now it does? Why does the camera make it slow? Oh, it doesn't. Okay, that's just confusing then. Okay, don't worry about that. No, wait, what? Why is it going I'm actually so confused. Look at how fast the speed is going, the position. And look at how much that's going up. If I put the game view here. Now look at... Docking the game view makes the player speed up like 1,000,000 times faster. This actually makes no sense. But yeah, anyway, look at that speed now. Do you see the problem? Okay. So what I'm gonna do is we'll go private float added velocity last frame. So here we'll say that added velocity last frame equals horizontal movement. So we have to do that here after we apply it. And then here, what's wrong with that? Oh, no underscore. So over here, we say rigid body dot velocity minus equals added velocity last frame. Oh, we do that before we... No, that works. And then rigid body dot velocity plus equals horizontal movement. Why is this wrong? Does it not? Dot x. Okay, we're not allowed to do that. So we can go new vector. Oopsies. New vector 2. That on the x-axis and 0 on the y-axis. This might work. This should make it so that I don't like speed up or anything. Uh-oh. Well, I mean, it made it so I don't speed up or anything. I guess it worked. It should subtract it and then add it. Maybe it's just that... Okay, what if we make it so that... we instead horizontal movement minus yeah, if we subtract that from the added velocity last frame, then we can remove this and just add that, maybe? I'm really overcomplicating this as usual, but okay, that doesn't work. Hold on. Is it just me? Or is this plus equals right here? Is that yellow? Do you see that? Is that yellow? Hold on. Can I color pick from... Copy. It is yellow? Why is it yellow? That's the color. Yep, it's yellow. Why? And why is it only that? Why is it... Wait a second. I think I know why. Is it that like little light bulb thing that pops up sometimes and it's like, hey, I think you should change your code. I think it's that. Is it gonna like show itself? Nope, it's not that. It's just yellow. Okay. Is every plus equals yellow? Is that yellow? It's not. Wait, is that? So, what does it mean? I have no idea. Is it because... I don't know. I don't have a clue. I have no clue. Anyway, let's stop getting distracted. So... So we should... When we add the velocity... We should just... Do we add force? And... no. Yeah, I don't know why it's not working anymore. Unless it was because my movement speed was 0. Yeah, because it should be 0 on the first frame. And after that, it should equal that, so... If we're already moving, there should be 0 every time, and then we're not adding anything. Oh, I don't know. Maybe because last frame velocity hasn't been defined before. I mean, it's possible, I guess. I'll try it. Oh, that's... did something. Oh, that was... Uh-oh. I actually didn't think that would be it. I swear you'd get an error for that. I don't know. What's going on now, though? Oh, this isn't giving me the effect I want there. The velocity should stay pretty much constant. But there's like all over the place, and I don't know why. Uh-oh. I'm not touching anything, by the way. Oh, now we're going this way. Okay, the reason I'm making this so complicated is because I really want it to be like, I really want there to be cool movement tech. I think that'd be really fun. I think if you can like, because basically if we work with velocity, then basically if we add velocity to anything, then it will, well, you know, it'll add the velocity. But that's not an option if we just set the velocity like straight. So how do we if I set the velocity directly, we'll no longer be able to override it, like with anything. If we don't use the velocity system with the player movement, then actually maybe that's I guess it's an idea. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to make funny player movement. The idea is that I want the player to be able to I want the player movement to just be to add to the velocity of the player. And like that. But I don't know how to do that without it interfering with any other systems that I'd like to build on top of it later. That's the problem. It's the dilemma. So if we say I want velocity to be equal to this, then let's say if I press the spacebar, then I'd like to add 100 to the current velocity. So we'll go rigid body dot velocity plus equals vector 2 dot left times 100. We're at a whole lot of velocity when we press the spacebar. And what we'll notice is when we press the spacebar, it probably won't do anything. Because the next frame, it will immediately be overridden. Hello? Why is it doing that? What? Unity is such a silly engine. What is going on? Is this a me problem? It's yellow again. Why does it do that? Is it when adding... I don't know. Why is this slow? Like, the entire game is just running super slow for no reason. Yep, I don't know why that's doing that. Am I modifying the vertical? Aha! I am, I'm setting it to 0 constantly. I'm gonna change that. There we go. I kind of just assumed it was related to the issue we had before. I'm very slow. I'm still very slow. Oh, what? It's like the laggiest movement I've ever seen. Have I forgotten to multiply by delta time or something? Nope, nothing there. Why is making platformer controls so okay. Whatever, I'm not gonna bother with this. We're just gonna say that transform body dot move body dot move position, and we're gonna move it to transform dot position plus horizontal movement. Just do that. By the way, oh look, I think just adding vectors and stuff is just yellow. I think that's why it is. The reason why we're doing this, by the way, is vector 3.right, vector 2.right. We should be doing that. So, oh, now it's gonna complain. It's okay. It's the same thing basically. So that's 1, 0, 0. We multiply this by horizontal movement, basically meaning the 1 here is whatever horizontal movement is. So it's the same thing essentially as saying u vector 3 horizontal movement 0, 0. Basically. Why vector 3? Because Unity complains if it's vector 2. Because transform.position is in 3D. We just pretend that it's in 2D. Oh, and it's slow again. Why is it slow this time? Is it the same? I bet it's the same thing again. Which is weird, because this is like the same... Yep. This is the same thing I do with like all player movement ever. So why is it complaining? Vector 2.right, 1, 0, 0. This shouldn't be interfering with the velocity. Maybe it's just because it moves us back up to where we were. So it's like we drop down because of gravity and it moves us back up. Horizontal movement is 0. No, it shouldn't be because I was pressing something. And also that wouldn't affect the vertical. I suppose I should just stop trying to be clever and just horizontal movement transform dot position dot y. let's do that. Because I suppose the vector 3 dot right was having the zeros there kind of just overrides it. Oh wait, but no, because I've just realized that this is a horrible idea because we're adding this onto the transform dot position, so we're already doing that, basically. There's nothing overriding the vertical here. Because we're just adding 0 to something that's already a number. Actually, how have I done it in the past? Where's a platformer project? Yep. We do it in fixed. Oh. Oh. That's what I'm missing. Oh no, we don't have that in 2D, do we? Oh, so that's just unfortunate then. So this code I'm reading, we have vector 3 target velocity equals, so that's when we have the so we have the move multiplied by a constant, which I'm assuming is, so we have nicer values. I'll bring this up actually. Yeah, so this is what we have. I think this was written by Brackies, I think. So we're interested in this over here. We have a target velocity. And then we smooth it and apply it to the rigid body dot velocity. So it looks like they just set the rigid body velocity equal to that, so we have some dampening going on. So the strategy is to just add that straight to the velocity then, I guess. So we're gonna new vector 2, and that's gonna be our horizontal movement. And then rigid body dot underscore rigid body dot velocity dot y, and then hopefully 0. We don't want we can just ignore that actually. This might work. I don't know, it probably won't doing this. Theoretically we can just ignore the dampening. Our speed is probably very low. 1000. Why is it like that? Can we... No, it shouldn't be in fixed update, should it? Maybe we do in fixed update. Let's borrow this. Ooh, this is promising. We have movement. 10. Now we're very fast. Okay, let's just move on from this. That's enough moving left and right for now, in my opinion. Oh yeah, there's this thing. I actually put it on my notes for this stream. What I want to ask is, so in the, I don't know if you saw it, in What Next Part 3, I mentioned that I'm probably going to have less time to work on proper videos because it's kind of just either the game or YouTube. So here's an idea. Stream highlights. What do you think? This is gonna be really awkward if no one's here. But I don't know, I have the view count off. Well, let's do some jumping. Input.get Yo 804 is here. Wait, I didn't put the if statement. Did you hear the question? The interrogation? Ream highlights. Yep. Should I do that? Is it worth it? I think it could be really fun, but the issue is it'll probably take a lot of energy to edit. So when we jump, we want to make sure we're touching the ground. Okay, so I think it's worth a shot. Okay, we'll try it. I'll try it. Why does that emote look like Waluigi or something? We love Deltarune shop theme. Yes. I'm a Deltarune enjoyer. I only have the chapter 1 soundtrack though. I need to buy the chapter 2 soundtrack. And maybe I'll do it when they all come out. But who knows? So we're doing the ground check. We'll just ignore that for now. We'll just... So if we fail the ground check, then we want to return, and so that basically means that we're not going to jump. And over here, we'll say... sorry. Moving my hand. Ugh. Hold up, I'm gonna mute the microphone so I don't deafen you all while I fix this. Did I say deafen the microphone? I was moving my hand to the mouse, and I just like whacked the I don't know what's called, the thingy that I put in front of my microphone. I just whacked it like really hard, and I knocked it like all the way out of place. It sounded very satisfying. Should I do it again? Rigidbody.add force. And we'll pick a jump force. This should be a vector 3, shouldn't it? Destroy mic stream. Yes, let's go. Vector 3 dot. This is a vector 2. So we want vector 2, and then we're looking at going up. So vector 2 dot up multiplied by the jump force. And we'll add that. Here, I'll just write return true, which means we can always jump. That'll allow us to fly. So that's fun. I'm ascending. Oh, I've added way too much velocity. Is that a vector from Sonic Adventure? Depends. I'm gonna be falling so fast that when I hit the ground, I'm just gonna go straight through it. Here I come. You see that orange speck? Oh, I just hit the ground. That's unbelievable. Okay. Meteorvania. Yep. One thing I'm kind of annoyed about is why is it so stuttery? Like always, whenever I make 2D player movement, it's always really stuttery. Like look at, can you see? Does that come across on stream? I can't jump anymore. Do you see? And I don't know why it does that. I think it gets even worse if I interpolate it. Although that does look smoother. I think that is smoother, but I don't... I remember it made it worse one time, and now I'm scared of it. So for the ground check, I'm gonna add a... It's kind of like a, it's gonna keep record of if we're touching the ground. So, when we hit the ground, when we hit anything, we're gonna get this, and it's gonna call this method. So now we're gonna go if collision dot collider dot collision dot contacts, and I'm just gonna assume it's the first one. Dot normal. Dot normalized is equal to vector 2 dot up. Math methods? Perhaps. Actually, I'll give it some leniency, so go .y is greater than or equal to 0.8. That means we'll probably be able to jump when we're on a surface. So if we get this, then I'm gonna just debug.log jumpable. That worked, but we can't jump. Oh, because I don't have jump force. What I might do is remove the enter. So this should be running constantly. We should just be constantly making sure that we're on the ground. Oh, I just clicked on the definition for Boolean. Else. We can compact this down by saying is on ground is equal to this. And then if not is on ground, I'm going to return false. Alright. We'll try this. We can currently jump in the air. Still. Why? I'm gonna enable debug mode in the inspector. Oh my god. Why is making a platformer controller in Unity like the most painful thing ever? Why can't you detect? Why is it always on the ground? Oh, I suppose because when we leave the ground, it's no longer getting a collision. Okay. Okay. You know what? I think it might be a Godot time. I think, yeah, okay. Okay. We're not doing this. Yo, can you change the stream title to whatever it is now, but add in Godot on the end? If you're here. Here we are. Yo, are you in chat right now? Or are you deceased? Thank you for sending that. I appreciate it. You're alive, just a little bit EP. EPO. Could you change the title of the stream to whatever it is now, but add in Godot on the end? Pretty please? I'm setting up a repository for GitHub now. The what? I don't know. I'll just change the stream stuff. Changed. Okay. I might remember how to use Godot. We love God arts. Yeah, I agree with what you just said. I started saying I agree with what you just said a lot for some reason. I don't know why. I think I said it once and went, ha, that's a funny thing to say, and I said it more. Okay. $2D. I'm gonna create a folder. Scenes. Game scene, I guess. No, I'll just call it test scene. Test scene. Because we're testing. Okay, how do we make a player? Is it it's some kind of physics body. It's the character body 2D. I agree with what you just said. Character body 2D. This is like the root, I think. The root of our scene. This gives us some options. Oh, what does it want? What do you want from me? Collision shape. I'll give it like a sprite. The collision shape should be about the same size as the sprite. Can you like render on top of the sprite, please? Thank you. Quick game developing tips. Always make your collider slightly smaller than the sprite. Always. Don't ever not do this. Um. Oh, I don't know how to differentiate the scenes that have like levels and stuff in them and scenes that have, I mean, I suppose I'll just objects. Scenes means levels. That's what I'm saying. Can I like box? Collision shape. Sprite. There's gonna be a random the ground. World boundary shape. That seems like something that could be useful. This is where the ground will be. I'll add a sprite to that. How about the gradient texture? Where's the collision shape gone? Hello? Oh, so this needs to be... Okay, get out of here. We need a... How do I create a new node here? Static body. Sprite renderer. And a... collider. Actually, no. Yeah, we'll make the gradient texture. Can I edit the size? Width 1. Now how do I make it bigger? Okay, ground done. This is literally relaxing game coding ASMR. Is it? Hi Mini Magma. How are you? Oh, collision shapes. Ooh. Uh-oh. As quick as I show, I must leave. Okay, goodbye mini magma. I suppose I need to program stuff into the player. New script. I can use the template, right? Bye bye. Template. Yes. Okay, easy, done. I've just programmed. Access the Steam community while playing. I can jump, but I can't move. Oh, you have to use your arrow keys. Look at how easy that was. We spent like an hour and a half doing that in Unity. Opening the door. 5 minutes later or whatever. Player movement. Now I can spend like as much time as I want fine-tuning this. This is why Godot is such a cool engine. However, the one thing that makes it not cool, actually one of the things, there's multiple things, but one of the things is the fact that Y, positive Y, goes down. Why? Why would anyone do that? Also the fact that there's no units, except for everything's just in pixels. Anyway. Here's what we're doing. Project settings, input map. We're creating some new inputs. Y equals f of x. By the way, I have a question for you, because I can't really see this on the stream, because it's very small on my screen. I have a little tiny preview. When you send a message in chat, how badly does it like overlap onto other text? So we'll say... I believe it's fine. Okay, good to know. Oh, that's another thing that's really good with Godot. I just remembered. The fact that the script editor is built into the editor. Which is really good for streaming, because I don't need to switch between a billion windows, and when I'm not streaming, I can pop it out. I can, hang on, I'll show you this. I have to show you this. I can pop it out and put it on my other screen. It's huge. Can I put it back now, please? Yeah. Is the screen supposed to be frozen? Is it? It was like, okay. You scared me. This is huge. Yep. If you couldn't tell, I'm not really a big Godot fan. Don't really like the engine. Is this up for left? Right, D. be physical. I have to scroll so much. Okay. D. Do we want... I think we want physical keycode. A. Jump, W, but alternatively, spacebar. Actually, should we do the arrow keys and ZXC for the game? Because... or WSA and D mouse. I might do both for now. Yeah, okay. Play movement jump. Play movement right. Play movement left. Bam. Yay, arrow keys. Okay. What should we implement now? How about... Actually, I think we should... I'd like to add a camera. Where's my camera? Here. And zoom it out. Okay. Implement an IP logger? That's a great idea. Why does that have an offset? That's interesting. There's smoothing. We have limiting. Okay, so we have to... Wait, what's a... I don't know. New script. Camera controller. Okay, go. We'll just set the position to the... We'll say... origin dot... No. How do we get the transform dot position? Oh, it's transform dot origin, isn't it? Equals... so then we use the $sign to get a node, and we're looking for a node called player. Dot transform dot origin. If we rename this to player. Where's the rename up here? Player. Uh-oh. Oh, it's searching in there. It's searching for like the children, I think. But they're on it. How do we get it to not do that? How do I do the thing that that I'm trying to do? Mini Magma's back. Hi, Mini Magma. I don't know how to use Godot. Maybe I can Google it. How? Wait. Godot. What's the thing? I completely forgot the thing. Oh yeah. Find node. What's the $sign? And apparently get node is a method. Why is that still highlighted? Oh, because I'm not doing anything with it. Ah, we got the player dot, and then we get the transform. Why doesn't that work? Because that's a component, that's a thing, a property on the node 2D, and we don't have access to that. How do we get access to it? Dot. Oh, that's the thing, maybe. We should be root/player. I didn't like that. Oh, it's because I'm running an instance of the game right now. How do I do this? Hold on. Let me see what I've done previously. I like to open it with a notepad. Here we have something. Oh, so what I did was I think we had export var player. No. Node. Wait. Player. At export. Where's the at sign? It's on 2. Can I do a colon to type it? And we just say equals player dot transform dot get origin. I think. Could not find type kinematic body 2D in current scope. Is this not a... Oh, it's a character body 2D. Right. You like that better? And I haven't assigned it, so that's not working yet. I'm gonna try and not mess up the Godot naming conventions, because thanks for the Galaxy Unpacked emotes. I don't know why it's called that, it's just a box. I've completely lost what I was thinking about. I do that a lot. Did we fix the... Oh, we're assigning the thing. On the camera, we should have a... Yup. No, can you not... When I try and drag the play into that slot, it automatically... I suppose I can do that. Okay, easy. Done. Best stream ever. Thank you, Mini Magma. I appreciate your approval. And it works! Let's go! Uh-oh. I'm gonna reduce the easing. Oh, I think I have to increase that value to make it faster. Anyway. Going to bed, or should I work on my video? I don't know. Do you feel like going to bed? Or do you feel like working on your video? It's not that late, it's like 8 o'clock. So, you know, like maybe work on the video for an hour and then go to bed? I don't know. Work on your bed. I've lost what I was thinking about again. I think I'm gonna turn smoothing off. Because it kind of just limits the movement speed and that's kind of annoying. So let's work on some more fun things. Like... Hold on, if we have this... No, can I move this actual static body, please? Instead of the collision shape? Okay, I don't know if that's like I can jump that. A lot of delay, like a minute's worth. I think that's probably like a issue on your end. Because if I check my preview on my second monitor, well, if I check preview on Twitch, it's probably, yeah, it's about 10 seconds behind. So, hi Monochroma, how are you? Okay, I think I'm gonna like do a thing where I get a tile map going because this is kind of annoying. Godot doesn't really have any placeholder sprites there. That's a kind of annoying. So I'm gonna make something. Doing good? That's good to hear. Also having fun in Godot? Yep. We switched to Godot like earlier in this stream because Unity was... We're trying to make a platformer controller in Unity and we spent like ages. And now it's kind of just done and we're working on more fun things, I suppose. I think that's the tile set. I'm so like lost working in Godot because I keep, I guess, doing Unity things and it doesn't work. I'll get used to it, I suppose. So we create a new tile set. I'm gonna create a placeholder sprite. For the tile set, because we don't, I mean I can use the Godot icon. But that'll be kinda... Okay, let's do it. I think I can drag that in there. You switched over to Godot or you still use Unity for most projects? I have no idea. We'll see. I'm not even sure if I'll use Godot for this project. It's kind of just, I got fed up with Unity. So I'm trying it out again. But Like, once I've finally gotten used to Godot, then I'll probably make the full switch, but it's kind of just still weird to me, if that makes sense. What does this mean? No. So I remember we have to like make the physics things. This is literally Metroid. I know. I'm making the metroidvania from Metroid. Yep. How do I do the physics stuff? Oh wait, it's made like, it's split the Godot icon up into like a bunch of little tiles. I understand what's going on now. Good luck then. Thank you. I don't know what's happening. It's not letting me select anything. What does that property say? Region size. How big is the icon itself? 128, okay. That's better. And now we can... still not do physics things? Stream delay is cray. Is the stream delay real? Hold on, let me look at the time. Game time, sorry, stream time says 1:45. Actual time. Okay, let me look at the difference chronos. It's like 30 seconds. Yeah, it's pretty much exactly 30 seconds. I think I can't do anything about that. Yeah, I don't know. How do I even do something about it? What could I do? Isn't it like a... I don't know, man. Do you have... I'm assuming you have low latency on, right? Oh, I worked it out. Buffer is like 3 seconds at most. Through Twitch. I don't know. It's so tiny. I'm gonna make it larger. That's our collision shape for now. Did we just win? Win what? I'm pretty sure that's not how the time map's supposed to work. Yeah, so welcome to today's art stream. Today we're making some art. We 10,000 bees on their way to your house. Oh man. So I'm gonna increase the like player movement stuff. Speed. Export var speed equals. I can't remember what speed was. Actually, wait. Let me use this. Let me use the stream delay to my advantage by watching the thing on Twitch. 300. What order do they go? Okay, that way. Export var jump velocity, which is a float, is -400. We have the jump velocity. We have speed. Speed. Okay, we win. We can now edit this, so I'm going to double the speed and make the jump velocity a lot higher. I just doubled both of them. Oh, it's so floaty. Uh-oh. I keep getting stuck. The surface is uneven. I'm gonna increase gravity. I think that's like over here somewhere. This is so Godot. I agree with you. (2D physics, default gravity). Especially with the medieval tavern music in the background. Did pianos in medieval times? Possibly. What do I set the gravity to? Community, wow. Press shift plus tab to begin. Ah. I'm very good at jumping. Does anyone else notice that? How, when you jump, when you start jumping and when you stop jumping, you kind of like... is very abrupt. Is there something I can do about that? I'll be back in a second. Never mind, I won't. Not gonna be back ever. Oh, I'm just realizing I'm using the wrong web browser. This one. Godot. Platformer, controller, template, jump, abrupt, just keywords. Is glitchy. That's a big keyword. Make it so that when you hit the floor, you Godot all over the place. It's a great idea. Why does it do that? Is it just a physics thing? Well, I don't know. What are you supposed to be looking at? I don't know. Do you notice how when we land, the camera jumps, kind of? Do you notice that? When we hit the ground, it kind of immediately snaps. It might be hard to see on the stream. I actually can't tell if you can... I don't know. You see it? Yeah. I don't know why it happens. Uh-huh. The position smoothing does help it. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna try and fix the collisions because they're very uneven. I'm gonna grid snap it. Might make it easier. Yep. What other things? Reduce jump velocity. Okay. Maybe a little bit more. The jump doesn't feel like snappy enough, I guess. Jump. No. So I'll just like add a value to it that I can tweak, I guess. What's wrong with you? Expected closing parentheses after grouping expression. You mean this? Column 15. Here? No, line 15, column 42. Oh, there's no underscore. Why would you say that, yo? I thought we weren't supposed to talk about that specific level. I'm gonna edit the town set again. Box. Mini magnet back again. Okay, that feels pretty good. Okay, I suppose it's time for some things like Coyote time. Jump buffer. A 10th done with the recording and you have 8 hours of footage? What are you doing? This is gonna take you like the next 3 decades to edit. So... okay. You know what? I think I'm gonna end off the stream now because I'm kind of tired. PTSD is just adult nostalgia. Oh no. Why would you even say that? Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream because I'm kind of tired and stuff. So next stream, I'm not sure when it'll be. I might do these like a lot more frequently, or it might be like 3 weeks until my next stream. But next time I work on the game, I'm probably gonna be doing like Coyote time, jump buffer, and that sort of stuff. I'm gonna be adding that to the game. And yep, okay. Two for Nordica. That level was fun. I really love that one screenshot we have where it's just the music just ramped up. Yeah, it's the most exciting part of the stream. It's where I do... Hold up, hold up. Are you prepared for this? Okay, this isn't the image I was gonna do, but it's funny anyway. I love this thumbnail from last stream. Step 3, squish. It's probably the funniest thumbnail on my second channel. The one I was actually gonna put on. This one. This is also very funny. This is the best thumbnail on my main channel. Anyway. Do we have any clips for the stream? No clips today. This is incredibly unfortunate. Okay, I'm gonna stop the music before we get like a extremely... Before the music ramps up even more. Look in Discord. Oh, is it another Space Engineers thing? I see. Very cool. I love when we keep forgetting. What? It is a good thought. Step 3! Squish! It's such a Millimedia Games moment. Anyway, yeah, as... Look in Discord. I'm looking in Discord right now. As we discussed earlier, I'm thinking of doing Like, what was the thing that we discussed earlier? Oh yeah, stream highlights. I might do it. Maybe I won't. But if I do, then there's a chance that you might be watching this from YouTube right now. So isn't that fun? Unless you've just watched the entire VOD. But yeah. Looking, you got one because phone clipping sucks. Oh, should I check it? I can go into content, clips. Oh, we have Meteor Cube. Hold on, let me copy a link to that and then open it in Firefox. Thank you for the Alvin and the Chipmunks. OMG, hi YouTube. Okay, this is the clip. We have Meteor Cube. Is it gonna be really loud? If I speak? Do I speak? Has my microphone been muted the entire stream? Also, is this really just like a 30-second clip where I don't speak at all? Do I really just not speak for that long on end? I don't even realize. Has my microphone been muted the entire stream? No, it hasn't. Oh wait, I just realized I watched the clip while on the end screen. There you go, you can watch the clip. There it is.